People were asked to evacuate from the potential flood affected areas, but the time was quite short and there were lots of people who were stuck in the flood waters, and unfortunately around 320 people they died. Those who have lost their immediate family members, they are quite in trauma. The crops highly affected, and almost you can say huge cultivation land is mainly affected. It's more than 2,300,000 acres of land, and the crops were ready to cut and to reap, but were fully destroyed. We have planned the support programs with health interventions, medical support programs for mothers and neonatal child health care. Secondly, we are going to provide them shelter kits and health and hygiene program immediately, and provision of clean drinking water so that the root cause is addressed and prevention is done. Because whenever there is a flooding, the water is highly contaminated, and clean drinking water is the solution to prevent from the waterborne diseases. So join us and provide your maximum possible support so that we are able to reach to those who are in need and who are waiting for us.